Hello everyone, this is Brandon from MobilX and I'm going to showcase a demo of the platform. So in MobilX you can create apps in two ways. The first one is basically by adding an image into the prompt and the platform will try to create the app for you. And the second one is by just adding in simple text what you need. It doesn't have to be detailed. It can be something really big and the platform will try to understand the whole navigation, all the screens that it must contain, and it will try to standardize all of the styling in the app. So let's give it an example for the sake of this demo. So let's create an Instagram app. So let's see what this generates for us. So right now we are moved into the conversation screen in which we are going to see the explanation that the AI is giving us, and also we'll see in real time all of the modifications on the files. And for the sake of time, we're going to pause the video a little bit until the generation is finished. Alright, so after the generation has finished, we can see all the explanation on the modifications that were done into the app. As this is the first prompt that we are asking, basically there is a lot of description on what changed. But most importantly, you can see the list of files that were modified with this. And you can see a bunch of screens were created. And in the right panel, you can see the preview. But before jumping into that, we're going to see the code. In the code section, we can see all the code that was generated for us, all the screens, all the types, all the code that was needed to build this Instagram app. And you can do in here a couple of actions. For example, download the code. You can copy the code. You can also download all of the code with a zip by clicking this button. We can copy the current URL, and lastly, we can also fork the project. So if you want to start another conversation, but you don't want to start from scratch, you can start from the same baseline that you have already here, and you can copy or fork it into another organization or with your own current organization. And yeah, that's for the quick actions. And now jumping back into the preview, you can see with a simple prompt all the screens that were generated by the AI. And as you can see, everything is completely polished and has a standardized style really similar to how Instagram has the styling. And yeah, as you can see, this is the result. So imagine what you can do if you give a more detailed prompt on what you need. It can give you more amazing things. So yeah, thanks for watching.